ready na tayo. Bought food for the boys at the shop. So they're currently drilling a hole in the pedal, but we are now here at the shop, just giving you a little tour of what cars are here. So this is Dave's Lancer rally car. It's a V16 valve. It looks like it has an air filter, and I think he wanted to put IPBs in it. I'm not sure. This car is fully stripped inside. Then it even has like carbon door panels. Has the racing bucket seat for both. Then has a hydraulic handbrake inside. That's pretty cool. Race pedals, and this is like a works bell. I forgot what you call this. Oh, this isn't the one that tilts. It's not the quick tilt, but it has the adapter. But cool car. Fully stripped. There is nothing in the back. It is fully caged as well. I actually want to get Rally Art mud flaps for mine because I think they look really good on the car. But yeah, I'll think about it, see if I can find. And then we have here old Fairlady Z. If you haven't seen the new Fairlady Z that just came out, I think they're releasing it in the US for $35,000 for the base Fairlady Z, or well, Z as they call it now. There are gonna be like 3 options for the new Z, I think. Like a sport with Brembos, then there's like, it starts with a T, and I think it comes with leather seats and heated seats as well. Yeah, this car came out really nice, is coming out really nice. I'm not sure if these are legitimate Watanabes, but they still look nice. Though has Willwood brakes, sitting on 225 16s, wide body. Looks like it's gonna have an RB inside. Woo. But yeah, there's nothing in it so far. Would love to see this one in its original Nissan blue, like the gloss blue. Oh yeah, so Dave has 2 of these rally cars actually. We've figured out where we want to put the pedals, but it's kind of hard to drill, so yeah, that's what we're trying to do right now. I don't know what year Mustang this is, but then it looks like they're putting a 2J inside. It's gonna have a pretty decent sized turbo. Looks good too. It looks like something out of Tokyo Drift, honestly. Caros. Will it be automatic? Would be nice though. Oh my god. So I think we all know what this car is. It is an AE86. This is the actual coupe because the 3-door is the one with the hatch. And he even got the original seats to go with it. This is the original steering wheel, dash, and everything. Looks like he outsourced it. And he even put, I think, OEM speakers, so that might come out really nice. It's gonna sit on T37s, the OGs. Then obviously it's gonna have the standard 4AG NA, but would sound really good also with ITBs, like individual throttle bodies. Then here they have an S15 with a 2J. Kanina to? Kanina to? Bago? Drifting o pangkalsada? Okay ah. Garrett turbo. It's the radiator he's running. Their intercooler. Anyway, looks so clean. I think this was Kevin Carlos's car before, and what I like about the S15s is the frameless doors. So, sorry, yeah, frameless doors where there's no frame on top of the window. A lot of the interior is still here, so yeah. Spec S, S15 Spec S. Looks like there's a lot of projects going on now. We have a utility truck, but wait till you see what's in it. A 2JZ Ute. So, or sorry, no, this is not a Ute. This is a owner Jeep. Yeah, this is an owner Jeep with a 2J in it. So, I guess that's pretty cool. 245s. I heard this was gonna be shipped to Australia, and the guy ordered it. He wanted to put a 2J in it, so apparently, yeah, that's what they did for this. And here's another AE86. Looks like it still has a lot of work to be done on it and restored, because it is, well, I think they're trying to take out the rust. So, yeah, a lot of work. And then obviously the real OG Hachiroku A86. I think I've shown this. No, I've showed this already before on my other video. I'll put like a link on top where it was like the real life Tokyo Drift garage here in the Philippines. So yeah, I mean there are a lot of other shops that have Japanese JDM cars as well, but I mean I've just been going to DMF pretty much my whole life, so been seeing these cars here ever since. And looks like this one has accumulated a lot of rust, but I'm sure this is really nice back when it was running. Yeah, this ducktail for me is one of like the best parts of the whole car. It just makes the whole thing, I don't know, complete. Added on with the TE37s. Super nice. And yeah, it does have an SR20 inside, so it is swap. Yeah, the Safiro, I think it has an RB in it, stock RB. May nasira ba dito?
Lalagyan breather, pinagtan ng clutch, tapos fuel pump.
May shoutout ka? Pa-shoutout. Like and subscribe, guys.
Pwede ko namang practice eh, Mega 10.
Ay, wala na akong auto, ito na lang.
Wala mo, pwede pa drift eh.
4-wheel drift, oo, kung kaya. Kaya yan! Kaya yan.
Medyo matigas na gulo, pwede. Kasi makapit ata yung...
Hindi, sige, pag bago ko ito ipapalitan, ipag-drifting ko. Testing ko lang.
Parang sa bang rally din, kailangan pumipitigan likod.
122, beautifully through that corner, no oversteer that moment. Little damp though in places. Watch the uncanny line, the way he sets the cars up to go into right. Beautiful control. This man is a master. 255, that's another one to look forward to for the future when the other car...
So, makapit.
Pero sinubukan pang rally.
Hindi pa!
May plano.
Wala. Circuit lang, circuit.
Circuit lang.
Looks like it's coming out real good.
Hindi mo makikita yan.
So yeah, getting pretty close. So if you didn't already know, DMF kind of has a roof deck. Well, it isn't exactly a roof deck, but it's just a place to put stuff. And it has a really nice view of, well, I think that is Antipolo. I'm not sure if that is Antipolo. But speaking of which, I actually might go to Antipolo for like a quick drive up the Twisties while it's a weekend still, because it is Saturday. So we might test out the new pedals that we just installed. And as for what I want to do with the car next, I don't know yet, because I am moving to LA in the next 2 months. I am moving, I think, end of May. So I don't know, I might get a car there too. We'll see. One reason why I'm moving to LA is because like I'm a US citizen, like I have a green card, so I need to like fulfill a residency. So yeah, that's why I'm going back. But in terms of what we want to do with the car, I wanted to put new brake rotors because that is what DJ said I needed. And if I'm gonna be driving the car hard for the next 2 months, then I might as well get it done. But again, I am just gonna be driving it for 2 months, so I don't know if like the ROI adds up, the return on investment. Like anything car related, the only return on investment you get is your own satisfaction for putting the mods you want on your car. What I want to do is brake rotors and probably a new retune, because I feel something weird or like shaky when on the lower revs the car starts like bogging. So that might be a result of the ECU management or something like that, like something computer related. As far as that goes, the car runs okay. The shocks aren't the best, but it does the job. The car points where I want it to, and like it's really responsive. Then I like that being on 225s and the fact that I'm not using really good tires makes me get to the limit. When I mean limit, braking traction, so I kind of know when to, I guess, let off of the throttle and just like hold back a little bit, because I can get to the limit faster. I do want to do some top speed runs, so maybe like 250, shy of like 260, but again, the speedometer on the Evo 5 only goes up until 180, so I need to get a replacement gauge or a gauge cluster for that. I think my friend has a 260 kilometer kph gauge cluster from his Galant that I can put on this one. We'll see if that works. I'll probably be able to get it from him next week if he gets it from his car. Yeah, that's pretty much what I have planned for this car so far. Maybe rims down the line if I can save up, but again, I hope to get the car while I'm in LA, because I'm gonna be there for a while, so hopefully I can get the car there and make some more content for you guys, and I guess see what the scene is like there, even though the US is #1 in COVID. For COVID, from the looks of what the vloggers are doing there, or people who are making like car content, it doesn't look too serious, I guess. Obviously, I have to take it with a grain of salt. Titingnan natin. Hopefully, I can make more videos like the last one I posted, or just videos like this where I'm just trying to share my passion for cars and trying to talk to people who can share more information on this, like the Evoque, because I am new to the platform, so it would help if you have any more info that would help me know more about the car. Then just put it in the comments below. If this video gets any longer, if you see it longer than what it is now, then I probably went on a run. If not, then the video ends here. So yeah, switch over to the next part if there is one. Finally, the pedals are on. Peek at the interior. Woo. Damn, that looks good. So have the steering wheel, the shift knob, and the pedals. Bagay, bagay. Laki. 18, di ba? Bagay, bagay. Sige, boy. Salamat. Woo! Salamat naman, boss. I had E-Boy or the mechanic move the brake pedal a little bit to the right, so it would be easier for me to heel and tow. But yeah, so that came out good. Car feels great, and I asked Billy, one of my friends who owns the ARC S15 from the video I posted before. I was planning to drive up to Antipolo, and he told me that there are checkpoints going up, so I'm not gonna risk going there and getting caught for trying to drive up. Probably meet up with Julian, one of my friends who has an S13, later tonight, and take him out for a spin because he wants to feel the Evo. I've kind of devised a small loop around Makati that we can run through. We'll do that later, and that will be the next part of this video probably.
Ang sarap pumato ng ganito pag hindi sobrang baba ng kotse mo eh. Walang saya to, dude.